Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel and happen to stumble by, well, I'm your girl Bella, and I would totally love if you join me on my YouTube adventures. Hi guys, hi everybody. Well, you all know that I'm in Florida. Yes, I got here a couple weeks ago and I got so many things to show you guys. So I was so excited to see Angela, and I'm in the apartment right now and I'm having a great time, and there's a little puppy whoppy. You guys want to see the little puppy whoppy? She's making her appearance. Her name's Mila. And she's just all over me and driving me nuts. Okay, guys, so what did we do? And I got clips to show you. We did a lot of eating, a lot of drinking. This is great. This is great. Angela's 21, so now we can have like a cocktail together. So it's kind of cute. I think it's adorable. We're not like, I'm not a big drinker. She's not a big drinker either. But it was cute to have a cocktail together. It feels very, feels that your child is very adult. I don't know, it's a very surreal feeling. Anyways, that being said, I got clips. I'll show you that. Went to the beach, had a beach day. That was super nice. Oh my God, it's been so hot here, but well worth it. I got to see some friends. I'm trying to think of all things. Oh, went to go see a house, and I got clips. Maybe I'm gonna buy a house. Maybe I'm not gonna buy another house. Maybe I'm gonna rent a house. We'll have to see. We'll have to see. I'm not gonna, but the house I'm gonna show you is really large. It might be a little bit too big for me. Like I don't need that much space. I mean, I like it. So have a look. You tell me in the comments down below. What do you think of the house? I think it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. In the right location. The location I love. The location I absolutely love. I told you all that we went to beach day. Okay. Well, at the end of all these clips, you're going to see something else. And I'll be back at the end of all the clips to tell you. Okay, guys, there's my storage unit. There's the monkey with some drinks. All right, so this is the backyard of that house I was telling you about. It is so beautiful. Isn't it beautiful? I love that area. That just looks so beautiful. It's really good. Look at this kitchen. Your girl can finally cook again. I haven't had a big kitchen in a long time, so that's I'm declaring it, y'all. I'm declaring it. Giant kitchen, giant house. I mean, the house needs work, obviously, but that's what I love. That's what I really, really wanted. I wanted a house that needs lots of work. It's a 2-story. There's nothing in here, obviously. What is this? I think this is going to the bedroom, maybe laundry room. Yeah. Who's been with me for a while and remembers my giant laundry room and bedrooms and stuff like that? You guys gotta leave me messages down below and tell me, because I'm dying to know which one. Oh, there's Angela, guys. Look at her. She's such a big girl. My God, yes. Oh, and she dyed her hair red, and it looks so beautiful. It's a ginger now. It's just, I gotta talk about my daughter. I don't know why we're looking at this window for so long. I don't know what I'm looking at. My filming skills, y'all, are hilarious. Okay, this is obviously the master bath. I love it. The shower reminds me of my shower in Ancaster. Angela and I said something about this house. We said, oh, there's the beach. Look at y'all. Look it. Yes, we rented umbrellas and chairs and the bed. We had food. There's Angela with more food and shopping and more shopping and more shopping. And yeah, and there it is. So, what do you think? Okay, so leave me a comment on the house. I'd love to know. And I'm choosing my shirt. Y'all, it's so nice to just go with your flip-flops and go pump gas. And I know it's summer everywhere else too, but This is just, it's Florida. It's Florida. The one thing that made me kind of crazy and sad is that I had to go to my storage unit. Oh, that was terrible. Did not like that. Did not like that. But Angela's using a lot of the stuff. Like, she's got her own, like, way of decorating, obviously, but she is using some of the stuff in her place. All right. So, did you see the last little bit? It was like a computer screen and some kind of thing and, something. What is that, Bella? Well, y'all, okay, so, cat's out of the bag. I want you to follow me on Instagram. So I'm going to put my Instagram right here, right here. I'm going to put my personal Instagram. And today on Instagram, you're going to see a business launch. Now, what I need from you guys, and even though you're not local, I need you to go on Facebook or Instagram and like the page so I can beat the algorithm. So the more people that like the page or follow the new page on Instagram, it'll get out to more people. So I'm launching a new business. I know. I'm kind of excited about it. So I'll tell you all about it when you see it on Instagram, or follow me on Instagram and I'll tell you all about it. And I'm gonna make a reel here, y'all. I've been doing. I found a beauty product. It is so good, and I'm gonna make a reel, and you are going to love it. Okay, so that's it. It's tomorrow's Saturday. I'm probably gonna be lounging by a pool or luxuriating at the beach, one of the two. I'm going out tomorrow night with my girlfriend. That's gonna be fun. I don't know where we're going. I have no idea. We have no plans. And then Sunday, I think we're gonna do some shopping. And I've done a lot of shopping. And Monday, we're gonna I'll have a video for you on some fall inspiration stuff. I know it's not fall in Southwest Florida, but it's fall everywhere else. So, and I've been so inspired, and I've been going to the stores, and it's just fantastic. Anyways, I will catch up with you very, very soon. And I'll see y'all soon. Bye, YouTube. Bye, everybody. Have a wonderful, wonderful weekend. And do something you love. And be positive. And I'll see you very, very soon. Mwah. Bye, YouTube.